Here are some reasons why pigeons make such wonderful pets. Pigeons are extremely intelligent and can be taught to do many different tricks, like ring the bell and spin.
Spin. Yes.
Compared to parrots, pigeons are very mild-tempered and easy to entertain. They don't need expensive toys and will be happy to just exist in your company. Contrary to popular belief, pigeons are very clean animals. They preen themselves constantly and like to bathe multiple times per week. Even if you manage to get a pigeon mad at you, their bite will hardly ever leave a mark and doesn't hurt at all. Last but not least, pigeons are very affectionate and will be your loyal companion for many years.